Hi everyone! We are the
Marvelous Crew! I'm EJ from 2M Journey.
Hi mga Tiririds! I'm Ara for Thrift Travel.
Hey, it's me Charlie from Charlie's.
So we are here at Le Russie sa Banawe Street here in Quezon City.
Bakit Le Russie?
It's a French word that means successful.
And this is a family-owned corporation, which is, ang nagbe-bake mismo is yung father nila.
So, how did I get here? From Taguig, sumakay ako ng jeep papunta MRT Guadalupe. Bumaba na sa Avenue Station. And then from there, another jeepney ride na ang route is Paquiapo. And bumaba ako ng Banawe Street. Nakay ulit ako ng isang jeep papuntang Retiro. And pababa na lang ako dito sa Le Russie.
Yes!
So ako naman, if you wanna go on an easy route, you can go ahead and book Grab or Angkas. So Grab lang yung na-try ko and then around 200 to 300 pesos. So no hassle, just book your Grab and then you're here at Le Russie.
Hi! Tiga-South ka ba? Kasi ako, oo. So from Cavite, yes, commute, papuntang PITX, the best. And ililink namin yung video how to really be convenient sa PITX. So, mabalik tayo. Bus ako papuntang north and then bababa ng Quezon Avenue and then sasakay ng jeep, biyaheng Quiapo and bababa namin Banawe. And so, ito yung mga bestseller dito. Ito yon, ang ube cake. At nagiging bestseller na ngayon ang caramel cake. Ano pa ang mga cakes nila?
So, meron tayo dito, the matcha cake. Also, we have mocha cake, the chocolate cake, and then the mango cake. What's interesting dun sa mango cake nila is seasonal siya. So, kung anong season this month, yun yung cake na makukuha nyo sa fruit series nila.
Yes. Sorry, chocolate detable.
Sorry.
Kasi gusto ko talaga may detable.
So, andito naman ang kanilang latte series. We have mango, strawberry, matcha, and the ube latte. So, yung
Bestseller din, by the way.
Oo, bestseller din yung ube latte nila. So, tingnan natin kung mababago talaga yung perception ko sa ube.
And meron din silang hot chocolate na Glea.
At hot dark chocolate.
At hot.
Okay.
Kat!
So, meron silang sparkling iced tea, blueberry soda, lemon soda, at iced coffee.
At huwag natin kakalimutan na every dine here, meron kayong free cookies. But please, isa-isa na.
Baka naman.
Order din. Speaking of orders, so mini cakes are selling at 268 pesos. Pero merong malaking cake na 1,388 pesos. Ito na yung cake na to. Lalaki lang siya ng 9-inch kung gusto nyong mas malaki. Soft opening kasi nila. So meron silang 30% on all items na promo.
Meron isang item dito na very, very interesting.
Gumagamit sila ng edible straw. Rice-based siya. So, para siyang macaroni feels. Natatry namin siya mamaya. Nahawakan ko na siya. So, deals. At gumagamit din sila syempre ng mga eco-friendly na mga utensils. Like made on wood and everything nice. So, I think that's our Le Russie gang and I will see you again.
Ikakain na lang namin kayo sa panahon ito.
talk about our favorites, top 3. So, ang una ay, for me, sa mga drinks, ang kanilang lemon soda talaga ang aking favorite. Pangalawa is yung, oh my god, ube latte. I did not expect this, pero sobrang favorite ko. At yung huli is yung hot original chocolate.
Top 3 ko, start muna ako sa pinakahuli. So, third ko is si iced coffee. Amazing siya, in fairness. And then, top 2 is si blueberry soda. And top 1 ko si matcha latte. And I must say then, I'm not an ube fan. Pero yung ube nila, ube latte tsaka ube cake, ay, kaya pala siya people's choice. Yun.
True.
How about you?
Ang top 3 ko is, first, itong sparkling iced tea. The second ko is the blueberry soda. And then yung first ko is yung ube latte. So sabi nila dito, pinapakuluan pa nila muna bago nila i-serve yung sparkling iced tea nila. So, ang flavor niya, jasmine.
Jasmine, yes. So, let's talk about cakes.
Yes.
Nagkasundo kami lahat na favorite namin yung ube cake.
Yes.
Deserve na talaga ang kanyang pagiging bestseller. But my personal favorite is yung mango cake. Sobrang love. Like, lasang Graham, less yung mga matitigas na part.
Oh, yeah. Ako naman yung caramel cake. Yung pagka-slice pa lang, ay, nag-uus yung caramel niya. Oh,
Yes.
I'm sure out.
I'm sure, eh?
Yeah.
So, ako naman, namili ako sa dalawa. It's either yung mango cake nila, and then the other one is yung mocha cake. Kasi, super perfect niya for your ice coffee.
Yes, so guys, soft opening, take advantage of that. All items 30% dito sa Le Rusé at Banawe Street.
Yes, again, follow them on their social media accounts. They have Facebook and Instagram. It's LaRusaPH.
And email is lerusaph@gmail.com.
And yung phone number nila, we're going to put that one in the description box below. And also, don't forget na binibake na nila yung grand opening nila.
Yes, it's baking. So mga diriits, see you in Facebook, Thrift Travels, Instagram, Thrift Travels PH, and YouTube, Thrift Travels.
Ako din naman, you can follow me at Charlie C sa Facebook. It's me, Charlie C sa Instagram, and Charlie C with the dot sa dulo sa YouTube.
And then for 2M Journey, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, 2M Journey.
Yes, so mga ganyan. The Marvelous Crew here, signing off.
See you later!